Friends, almost everyone has had this thought at some point. What if I could build my own app? Building apps with AI is supposed to be easier, but in reality, it often isn't. You are forced to guess the right prompts. The app looks fine at first, but breaks the moment you try to use it. Or you're left with code, without a clear way to turn it into a finished product. For non-developers, this is frustrating. And for developers, it often feels like wasted time. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. In this video, I want to show you an AI app building platform that takes a different approach. It's called MeDo. The tool helps you turn ideas into real, working applications without getting stuck in technical setup. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what MeDo is really capable of. Alright mates, let's start with the basics. MeDo is an AI tool that lets you build full-stack applications from a single text prompt. You describe your idea in natural language, and MeDo turns it into a real, working application. What's important here, guys, is that you're not stitching things together manually. MeDo takes care of the technical foundation and guides you through the process instead of throwing raw output at you. So let's see how this works in a real scenario. Right now, I am opening MeDo, and we are going to create a full-stack AI-powered recipe generator, a smart cooking assistant. I am entering a detailed prompt describing what I want this app to do. Folks, I could manually connect different services or configure things myself, but MeDo's AI agent handles this automatically. You can also enable prompt optimization or explore apps built by the community to see what's already possible with the platform. Once I hit generate, MeDo starts working right away. Instead of instantly producing code, it first creates a requirements document. This document clearly defines how the app should work and what features it includes. This step is critical. You're making decisions before generation, not fixing problems afterward. Once everything looks right, MeDo moves forward and builds the application. At this stage, the platform brings everything together and turns the idea into a fully functional project. One thing that really stands out, guys, is that user authentication is created automatically. Sign up and sign in are available right out of the box. I can register a new user, log in, and immediately access the app with admin permissions. Now, friends, let's test the core feature. I enter a set of ingredients and generate recipes. Within seconds, the app returns multiple results with clear instructions. Everything works on the first try. There's no need to regenerate or debug broken logic. This is where MeDo really feels different. With many other AI app builders, you often spend more time correcting output than actually moving forward. Here, the result is usable almost immediately. From here, I can deploy the app, publish it, and start using it like a real product. Mates, I open the deployed version in the browser, log in, and access features like saved recipes and favorites. I test it again with another set of ingredients. This time, I intentionally make a typo, and the AI still understands my intent. The recipes are generated correctly and categorized by difficulty. Now let's improve the application. I want to add categorized sections and a faster way to select ingredients without typing. Guys, I am sending this improvement request to MeDo, and let's see what happens. The system updates the app automatically. Even better, MeDo fixes minor issues during the update process. I can preview the updated version immediately. Now we see categories added to the interface. For example, I can select Healthy Light and choose ingredients using simple checkboxes. Let's generate recipes again. And just like that, new results are generated. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Folks, this makes it easy to experiment with different ingredient combinations and get usable results right away. All data is stored automatically. I can even generate a shopping list based on the selected recipes. This means the application can be refined and expanded over time. I can inspect integrations, manage backend logic, and explore stored data like user profiles, saved recipes, and shopping lists. This is not a demo backend. This is a fully functional backend system. I can download the code, adjust settings, and deploy everything live. And as you can see, everything activates and works exactly as expected. Friends, at this point, it's clear that MeDo isn't just a prototyping tool. It's built for creating real, production-ready applications. Compared to tools like Lovable or Replete, MeDo focuses on true end-to-end generation, with a much lower barrier to entry for non-technical users. You're not just generating an interface, you're building a real business-ready product. Alright, my mates, let's wrap this up. In this video, we went from an idea to a fully working AI-powered web application using MeDo. More importantly, we saw how the platform guides you through planning, generation, testing, and refinement, instead of leaving you to fix things afterward. What really stands out is how close the final result is to a production-ready product, especially considering there's no coding involved. So guys, what do you think? Would you use a tool like this to turn your ideas into real applications, or do you still prefer traditional development? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.